How to edit a story on Facebook. Start by opening the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be brought to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view posts from friends and pages that you follow on Facebook. On this page, tap on Create Story at the top as shown. You can now choose photos and videos from your camera roll to add it to your story. Choose any photo from here. You can now edit the photo using the edit options on the right. You can change the filters for the photo. Tap on the stickers icon at the top right corner. From here, you can choose and add stickers from all the options available. You can also tap on the text icon to add a text on the photo. Then, tap on the audio icon to add music. Once you're done editing, tap on Share at the bottom right corner. You have now successfully shared this photo as your story. Following these steps, you can easily edit a story on Facebook.